Today's the day. Many of us have been waiting several months to see the final clue and how this all comes together. This is the Village Green Puzzle Mystery Quilt. This is how I keep all my clues together. Let me know how you keep yours together. I have my clue 10 and my assembly instructions, and we're going to put this together really quick in a time lapse, and we'll show you the completed project in just a few moments. And Village Green Lavender is now done. This is the small, which is 45 by 60, and I think it turned out absolutely stunning. Let me know what you guys think. I love all the different colors, how it all came together, the design. I just absolutely love it. So we're going to put a picture of the quilt up next to me, because showing it on a video is not super easy, and as you can see, Finley's a big fan of it. So this pretty much wraps up the Village Green Puzzle Mystery Quilt for me. I hope you had a lot of fun with it as much as I did. I'm really enjoying the Carnival colorway, which I'm doing in a red, white, and blue. And then I'm really looking forward to seeing the new one come out, which is Tree of Life. It starts next February, but the sign-ups start next month, December 1st. So duck over to the Cotton Cuts website, take a look at the colorway or colorways that you're interested in, because I'm pretty sure some of those are going to sell out pretty quickly. And also duck over to their Facebook group, because right now you can actually help choose the colorway names, which I think is a really awesome thing to do. So I hope you had fun. Leave a comment. I always love hearing your feedback and your comments about my videos. It's always fun to read and interact with my guests. And I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Happy sewing!